Unlock your creative potential and bring your wildest ideas to life in minutes with Higgsfield, the revolutionary AI video generation platform. Once you're logged into Higgsfield, you'll arrive at your intuitive dashboard, your command center for all things video. To get started, simply click on the prominent Create New Project button to launch your first video creation. First up, scene creation. Explore a vast library of pre-made environments or upload your own custom backgrounds to set the perfect stage for your narrative. Next, bring your characters to life. Higgsfield offers robust character design tools, allowing you to sculpt unique individuals with customizable appearances, outfits, and even distinct animation styles. Drag and drop your created characters into your chosen scene and position them precisely where you envision them, setting the spatial dynamics of your video. Now, let's add some action. Utilize the intuitive timeline to script your character's movements, input dialogue, and choreograph camera angles to build a compelling sequence. Simply type your dialogue, and Higgsfield's AI will handle the lip-syncing and voice generation, or you can upload your own audio for complete control. Elevate your video with stunning visual effects. Browse through a rich selection of filters, transitions, and special effects to add that extra polish and professional touch. Experiment with different effects to achieve the desired boot and aesthetic for your masterpiece. You can fine-tune every element for precision. Once your scenes are assembled, refine your video in the editing suite. Trim clips, rearrange sequences, and ensure a smooth flow from one moment to the next. When you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to export. Choose from various resolutions and formats to ensure compatibility across all your target sharing platforms, from social media to professional presentations. And that's it. With Higgsfield, you can generate professional videos effortlessly, turning your vision into reality faster than ever before.